Shut up.
But I felt like for performance sake, it was worth it though. Because whether I'm better or not isn't the question anymore. I got something else that's gonna hurt them though. I never thought you were competition. I only took this battle as a stepping stone. But since it's third round and it's just business, I figured we get a little personal. Deep game. Anthony Latoro. That's your name? Anthony Latoro. It's French, right? It's French, right? No? Okay. So I thought it was French. The first thing I thought of when I heard that name was, is he gay? I'm just saying. I only know the French to be good for two things. Kissing, and anyway, I'm just saying, every time I see a French nigga, he's a fag nowadays. But it don't matter either way from my point of view. But you're a local boy from Beaver Falls. You wouldn't hurt me. Now when I say this, because it hurt me, so I know it's gonna hurt you still, you got expelled from school for making a mixtape called Churchill. Now this is why I'm confused. Because I've never heard of anybody being expelled from school for making moves. I mean, I'm from the hood. I understand if you gotta do something, then do it. But in school, they teach music. You got expelled from school for music? And you went to law school, right? Okay, so answer me. Answer this. And you said you're not a sexist, so do you know Susan B. Anthony? Yes? No. See, all right. Now, I'm highly disappointed that you went to law school, which impairs you to know your rights, and you're not a sexist, but you don't know the woman who helped make prominence of women's rights. Which means you're lying, and you're a sexist, or you're a flunky. And thanks to Elray, the last battle, I think I know why. Because she told us that you're a junkie. Oh! Meaning, if y'all saw the movie called Junkie, you'll play the biggest role, because you're shooting yourself. No, you'll play the biggest role, because you shoot in yourself. Beaver Falls crime rate is below average, so that street shit, you don't get involved. You getting your fix is the only time you shoot in arms. Oh. But at that law stuff, my niggas don't give a shit. We'll get rid of your nugget, Anthony, just for a couple nicks. And I put on some of your music. I was mad that I put it on. Where did you go? I don't know. I was just mad that you were going on. You had a battle in August, and no one cared. I tuned in to see what the crowd would be like for this battle, and no one was there. How you feel about that? One match that you thinking you could swing swords with everybody ready for war? Do you really want to battle? Axe? I mean, let's say I do something with Axe. And he bring Dice along because Dice is his man. You know me, I'm a hustler. Getting money's always part of the plan. I give you a 50 spot, you come back with less than $1,000. There's something to be old and things are smelling funny. Y'all trying to gamble with my life, so I have to roll dice and spray Axe with the can. Gamble with my life, roll dice, be old, smelling funny, spray Axe with the can. What could you do with me? I told you you would die. Now it's time to prepare the eulogy. I won't do it, though indeed someone will. I just named this ox, squirrel, Axe. Because for the thrill, I'm going in for the kill. And my SK customized. It got a drum with it now. Shit so heavy, I gotta tighten up the strap when I'm firing rounds. I don't even have to reload. I wave it and be dumbing them down. And I nicknamed that bitch Karma, and then it come back around. Everybody got a gun where I'm from. My city red hot, nigga. It's not about who's strapped. It's about having accuracy when that head shot, nigga. The only real shot is a headshot, nigga. You just gotta